Tutorials by Andrew Buckle. This tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can turn an image like this into sort of sketchy illustration design using 3D features. Now, first thing to do, just go to 3D and new mesh from layer, depth map and plane. Now you need the properties over here, and I'm just going to quickly drag that there. It doesn't particularly look very much at the moment. And move that around. I'm just going to, about there. And I'm just going to drag that a little bit more. Now, what I'm going to go for, I'm just going to go for, over here in properties, go for solid and aligns, and again, solid. I'm going to set the threshold, just going to push it up quite a bit, and I'm going to go for width there, 1. Now, once I've actually done that, I'm going to go for infinite lights. I'm just going to, you can move that around. Obviously, you can change the angle, but I'm also going to push up the intensity to quite high out there. I mean, you can obviously have it higher. I'm just going to go with that. Now, once I've actually done that, I'm just going to go down to background, and there's an option here. You just click, select like that, and you can now see a more sketchy sort of sketch design. There's some really extreme designs you can create just by clicking there, just going through these, not all of course, some you can just see very faint, some are quite garish, but of course you can still move it around. It's still live, so you can just quickly click there, just move that around if you particularly like a particular design. And again, go back down to background. There's a whole range of different settings. Of course, you can modify them further as well yourself just by changing some of the other settings. Rest things here. I'm just going to go for 1. So once I've actually decided, that one. It's a nice, quite a nice sketchy sort of design. So you've got a sort of very drawn line there. Now, what you can do, of course, once you've done that, you can go to a layer and flatten image. Click OK, and then just go to like stylize and oil paint, and click OK. Maybe apply it occasionally, a couple of times. Now, these I'll just quickly look just there. Stylize oil paint, and the setting is set fairly high around there, and cleanliness very high as well, and no lighting. You of course could have lighting on. I always find that pretty garish, but so. Cancel that point. Now, of course, you can also modify it. Just go over here to adjustments, maybe color lookup or HDR toning to add a final tweak to your sort of pencil sketch design. So you just make it a bit darker there. So it looks like a pencil sketch illustration just using the 3D features of Photoshop. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.